You don't need motivation. You need to kill the version of yourself that's ruining your life. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You say you want to change. You say you want discipline, success, a better life. But every single day, you go back to the same habits. Scrolling, delaying, making excuses. And then you sit there wondering, why is my life not changing? Let me tell you why. Because you're still protecting the old version of yourself. That version of you, he's weak. He avoids discomfort. He runs from hard work. He chooses comfort over growth. And the worst part, you're loyal to him. You defend him. You justify him. I'll start tomorrow. I'm just tired. I need motivation. No, you don't need motivation. You need to destroy that version completely. Listen carefully. You cannot build a new life with an old identity. It doesn't work. You can't wake up late and expect success. You can't stay distracted and expect focus. You can't stay comfortable and expect growth. Your current habits are perfectly designed to keep you exactly where you are. Average, stuck, frustrated. So here's the truth you've been avoiding. Your life is not bad because of luck. It's bad because of you, your choices, your habits, your mindset. And until you accept that, nothing changes. Stop blaming time. Stop blaming situations. Stop blaming other people. Look in the mirror. That's the problem. Now here's the part most people won't do. If you actually want to change, you need to become someone else. Not slowly. Not comfortably. Completely. That means waking up when you don't feel like it. Working when you're tired. Saying no to distractions. Doing hard things every single day. Not for motivation, but because that's who you are now. Start small, but stay consistent. Discipline is not built in one day. It's built when you choose the hard option. Again, and again, and again. Kill the habit of quitting. Kill the habit of excuses. Kill the habit of comfort. Every single day, you're making a choice. You either feed your old self, or you destroy it. And one day, you're going to look back and realize something. The old version of you is gone. No excuses, no weakness, no fear. Just discipline, just focus, just progress. But that only happens if you make a decision right now. Kill your old self, or let it kill your future.